Hi you guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and this is, sorry for the lighting, but this is my not so beautiful craft space. It's actually not too terribly bad. I can't complain too much considering everything that's been going on and how much crafting I've been doing, but you can see it needs a little bit of work, hence the fall challenge. Now every one of us is going to have different things on our list of things to tackle, but I'm hoping to encourage you each week to focus on an item that maybe will get you a little bit farther in your organization to where you want to be. So I gave you guys homework, and I basically asked you to give me your top 5 things that are driving you crazy. So I'm going to give you mine so you can see what I'm working with. So one, of course, is my desk. It's actually not as bad as it has been. I have a fair amount of space there to actually work, which is a miracle. But I do have quite a bit of stuff on my desk, so I would like to get this cleaned up. That's always a big one for me. Another thing that's just plain silly, really, is I have this bin here of product that just needs to be put away. And like, this is stuff that has a home. It's not waiting for a home. I have a bin down here, some stuff that has a home, some stuff that doesn't. You know, I've got some piles, you know, some piles and some more piles and bins here. So those are the kind of things that I want to work on. In addition to that, I started with an organization binder for my small die cuts. I have a video on that. I'm not quite finished. I also have digital organization with basically my photos. I do periodically go through and clean that up, but I'm way far behind. The other thing that I need to do, sorry again for the glare or the haze from the sun, this is jam-packed full, and I'm starting to get stuff that's peeking out at the top. So I think I need to do a little bit of a paper sort / purge. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I hope you have your 5 items sorted out. Doesn't mean you're going to accomplish all 5. It's just a starting point. You also needed to look at your schedule. How much time can you allot to it? If it's 5 minutes a day, it's 5 minutes a day. Just be realistic in your assessment. Week 1's prompt is, and I often do this, is tackle something easy. So this is things like perhaps cleaning your desk. In my case, most of this stuff has a home, or I can put it someplace else temporarily until I get my desk clean. The point is my desk will be clean so I can continue to work and craft. This one's another really easy one. Like I said, this is a bin of product that has a home. So there's no reason why it should be sitting here other than I was just too lazy to put away. And then the other thing that can be done, for instance, in my space, is these piles of stuff have nothing to do with my crafting, and they just need to leave the space. So I will probably be focusing on putting this stuff away and maybe tackling my desk. We'll see how it goes, but that is the challenge. Tackle the easiest thing on your list. It's going to boost your confidence and motivate you to continue on. Let me know below what you are tackling. Love to hear it. And when you get it done, be sure to come back and comment. If you're over on our Facebook group, you can always post there. We like to celebrate small wins. Okay, that's it. Have a good week, and we'll see you next Saturday.